Welcome back to the Midwest Mixer. Today we are going to make the delicious peanut butter cup old fashioned. As per usual, we're going to need a couple of things. You need a stirring vessel, your stirring spoon, your jigger of course, your rocks glass, some ice, and some peanut butter cups as your garnish. We'll also need some chocolate bitters, some Demerara syrup, your favorite bourbon, and your favorite peanut butter whiskey. We're going to start off with 3 dashes of our chocolate bitters. Then we're going to go in with 1/2 ounce of our Demerara syrup. In case you were curious, our Demerara syrup is sugar in the raw mixed with water and then heated up. So it's just like simple, but with raw sugar instead, in case you were curious. And then we need 1/2 ounce of our favorite peanut butter whiskey. And then we're going to go in finally with 1.5 ounces of your favorite bourbon. And then we are going to add ice to this, and we are going to dilute it down using the ice. I'm going to take our stirring spoon, and we're going to stir that for about 25 to 30 seconds, give or take. We're going to want it diluted down nice and deliciously. Then we're going to take our rocks glass and we are going to add a BFC or a big cube. Fun fact, my mother-in-law actually got me my big cube maker for Christmas, so I'm super excited about that. Then we are going to just strain this guy right over our big cube. And then we'll finish with our peanut butter cup garnish. And there you have it, the delicious peanut butter cup old fashioned. We'll see you again until the next pour. Cheers!